Hey, Tweezy, look at this, yo. This is the joint you was talking about getting? The macaw. Look at this one. Yeah, I didn't want to come to the bird cage. I don't like birds, remember? Hey, ducky. Bird food, and they are about to come to us. Oh, wait, let me do it first.
I want to pet it.
You get them? You get me? Wow, Mel.
You recording me?
Yeah, I got you.
That's cool. Give me the food.
Wow.
Somebody take that so I can come.
Get up there, bro.
Oh, record me.
They just coming up to me. I'm the bird whisperer. I'm the bird whisperer. They just come up to your boy. Ah! You scared or something? They gonna jump on you. Yeah, Lyric. Lily got her 2 birds. I see you. What you think about that?
I'm scared of birds.
That's crazy.
Take a picture.
Ah. The bird whisperer.
What's it feel like? Oh, God! Another one coming up on the other side.
You don't know. Hold it down. You gotta hold him up. You don't wanna hold it, mama? Hold it. Don't you drop it, okay? I know.
Call Lanny and Noah. Look, guys. Hurry up, call Lanny and Noah. They'll enjoy it more. No.
Look, Mel. Look, Rhythm.
Will it let you touch it?
We're gonna try a bite, but it ain't gonna hurt.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, Niece, touch it. Ah!
Like that, you didn't get in the comment and came on ahead.
We're about to go on the Tigerist. Oh man. Just me and Lyric, Mel couldn't ride. Got me soaked listening to them, man.
Me and Daddy were the only ones who went on because Lyric said I didn't want to get wet. Now I see why.
We get on all the water joints and the regular rides. We don't care nothing about getting wet. Mommy can't get on no rides because she's pregnant. She can't get on nothing right now, though. Crazy.
You know which one you cousin?
All right, y'all. This concludes the day. We had a wonderful time, man. See y'all tomorrow. See you when we get back to the room. I think we're going to the pool. Peace. We just got back from Busch Gardens, y'all. Now we about to head to the pool. You going in the waterfall? You going in the waterfall?
No. I will give it that. Go get your green one. You run in there and get wet.
Rhythm, go ahead. Go ahead. You go in the waterfall. Go in the waterfall. Woo! No, Rhythm, don't hit nobody with that stick. You know that, right?
Rara showing she can swim, y'all. Do.
Yeah, go, Rara. Show me some, y'all. Show me some swimming skills. Don't get my camera wet. Show me your skills, yo. Show me your skills.
You move. You're not gonna jump at all.
Oh, look, Rhythm.
Hi, Rhythm. Can I take a picture with you? Alright. Rhythm, do you want to get on the water or no?
No, she's just putting her feet in the water. She don't trust you. She don't trust y'all.
She don't trust you either.
Nah.
Mommy.
That concludes the pool and day 3. See y'all tomorrow on day 4. Peace.